episode of Where's Robert Yo? Coming down through the city area here. A lot of overpasses. Uh-oh, that might give it away over there to the right. Traffic, baby. Anybody know that skyline? Where's Robert Yo?
Okay,
With the horrible
clear.
drivers.
Y'all took a pit stop and change lane?
Yep. How they do when they can't drive. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.